PS5 or Xbox Series X. PS5 features. Price $499, $399 digital edition. Optical drive 4K UHD Blu-ray drive digital edition excluded. RAM 16GB DDR6 RAM 256 MB. Memory bandwidth 448GB. CPU 8 Zen 2 cores at 3.5 EGs. GPU custom AMD Radeon Audi DNH 10.2 Trichter 660 CUS at 2.23 EJ. GA supports ray tracing and 3D audio via Tempest engine. Video output 4K 120 Hz. Refresh rate 8K support. Storage custom 825GB SSD storage drive. External storage NVIDIA's SD slot USB HDD support. Backwards compatibility PlayStation 4 games PSVR SCGR. Subscription service PlayStation Plus Xbox Series X. Features. Price $499. Optical drive is 4K UHD Blu-ray drive. RAM 16GB DDR6 RAM. Memory bandwidth 10GB at 560GB, 6GB at 335GB CPU. 8X Zen 2 cores at 3.8 GHz CPU, 8.3.6 GZ with SIMT. GPU custom AMD Radeon Radeon 12 teraflops, 52 CU at 1.825 Gs. Video output native 4K's 8K support up to 120. Storage 1TB NVMe SSD storage drive. External storage Seagate proprietary external 1TB SSD expansion card, USB 3.2 HD support. Backwards compatibility Xbox 360, Xbox One. Accessories. Subscription service PS5. Exclusive games PlayStation boasts iconic franchises like God of War, Uncharted, and The Last of Us, attracting players who value immersive single-player experiences. DualSense Controller. The PS5's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers bring unparalleled immersion, adding a new layer of realism to gameplay. Design. The PS5's futuristic design stands out, and its DualSense controller feels sleek and comfortable. Xbox Series X. Raw power. The Xbox Series X slightly edges out the PS5 in terms of raw graphical power, potentially offering smoother performance and higher resolutions in some games. Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass provides instant access to a vast library of titles for a monthly fee, catering to players who enjoy variety and trying new games. Backwards compatibility. Xbox excels in playing older games, with thousands of titles from previous generations playable through backwards compatibility. The verdict. For exclusive games and cutting-edge controller tech, the PS5 shines. For raw power, affordability, and access to a massive game library, the Xbox Series X takes the lead.